Today we're installing 22mm LifeProof flooring from Home Depot for this commercial office space. When starting the flooring, I begin with the full sheet. Then I use a 3/4 piece, half piece, and a 1/4 piece. This helps stagger the butt joints so they don't all line up across the floor. For example, if your plank is 4 feet long, that means 3/4 piece would be about 3 feet, half piece would be 2 feet, and a 1/4 piece would be 1 foot. And then once you reach to the opposite side of the room, you can reuse the leftover pieces as the starter piece for the next row, which helps you reduce waste and keeps the floor pattern spread out properly. When installing your planks, make sure they are tight against the edge and corner, which is called the butt joint. Use a tapping block and a mallet to properly lock the flooring into the groove. For this video, I bought a cheap flooring installation kit from Amazon to show people that this project really isn't that difficult. As long as your floor is prepped correctly and you know some knowledge of how to install vinyl planks, you can definitely do this yourself. Just make sure all the seams are tight and properly locked in before installing the next vinyl plank. This is very important, very crucial. This is what the floor used to look like. But after a lot of hard work and determination, the transformation is unbelievable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.